Welcome to Vortex AI Studio Training Video Series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create social stories in Vortex AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Social Story. Now you are on Social Story Creating page. Now insert your topic you want to create your social story. Your category in which you want to create story. Now choose your desired template from Template Library. Click on Generate and it will redirect you to our advanced social story editor where you can further edit it. You can upload images from your local. You can add or edit text of your story. You can search stock images from your desired platform and use them in your story. You can generate AI contents for your story by our AI content option. You can generate AI graphics from our AI graphics generator. You can add emoji, stickers and avatars to your story. You can add background music to your story. We describe the editor in details in upcoming training videos. You can view, re-edit, or share your story. Thanks for watching video.